Chartered accountancy is one of the most prestigious courses and profession in our country. It is recognized worldwide as well. So let us talk about how you can become a chartered accountant. So that when to start, how to start, what are the subjects that are to be studied, what is the fees involved, where to register, etc. etc. So hi, I'm Binita Sengupta, a chartered accountant in this discipline for the past 25 years. Now today I'll guide you in every step to become a chartered accountant. So nowadays our institute has allowed every student to start quite early. So what do you mean by early? Early means as early as if you have made up your mind that you want to pursue this course, then you can register yourself immediately after clearing your class 10th board exams. Remember, class 10th board exams, you can register yourself with the institute. But you will be able to sit for the foundation course only after you clear your class 12th board exams. So what is the use? If you register for the course, then the institute will allow you to get the study materials. So if with this study material, you can start preparation immediately when you are in class 12. This is an added advantage. And for the others, if they are planning to study after, register after class 12, so you need to have a 4 months gap, or you need to complete a 4 months theoretical education before actually sitting for the foundation course. Once you register, and then after 4 months, you will be eligible for the exam. So you apply by filling up the forms. All these are going to be online. So you fill up the form for the exams. Then you appear for the foundation exams. Now this foundation exam will be of 4 papers. 2 papers will be subjective, that is paper 1 and paper 2. They are subjective, and 2 will be objective MCQs. So these 2 papers which are objective, they will be having negative marking. That means for every wrong answer, 0.25 marks will be cut. So in detail, I'll explain to you about the course papers and all later on in a different video. Now, you qualify your foundation exams, and now you are eligible to register for the intermediate exams. Again, you register for the intermediate exam, then you complete 8 months theoretical education before you are actually eligible to sit for the intermediate exams. So then you have to apply for the intermediate examination by filling up the form online and all. And now you are ready to appear for both the groups. So for the intermediate group, which consists of 6 papers in 2 groups. So you can either give group A and group B together, or you can give it separately. Each group will be having 3 papers. So the eligibility for passing, the passing marks is you have to, for the foundation also and for the intermediate also, you have to get 40 marks minimum 40 marks in each paper, but in overall you have to get 50% marks. This is your passing criteria. Now, after you pass both the groups of intermediate examination, you have to register yourself to another course, that is integrated course on information technology and soft skill, which is shortly called ICITSS. Before you start your practical training, you have to complete your ICITSS. So after this, you will be eligible to register for 2 years practical training. This will be done under any chartered accountant. You have to complete this 2 years, and you will be getting a stipend for this also. So after you complete your practical training also, then you will be able to register for the final course. So after the registration of the final course, you will be you have to complete a 4 self-paced online modules and qualify the online assessment on this. This is a new thing. So you have to complete your 4 self-paced online modules. Then you complete your practical training and then undergo another advanced ICITSS. This also you have to complete before appearing for the final exams. Now you apply, after you have completed all these, and then appear for the final examination. This also consists of 2 groups. You have to get a 40 marks in each paper, and overall you have to get a 50% in order to pass. Even if you get 40 marks in all the papers and you have passed all the papers, and if you are not getting the required 50% marks in all the papers, you will be considered to be failed. So qualify both the groups either individually or together, and then you become a member of the institute. Now let me talk about the direct entries. For the direct entry, who are eligible for direct entry? So one is those candidates who are graduates and postgraduates in commerce, having secured an aggregate of 55% marks in their exam, they can have direct entry. And for those graduates and postgraduates of non-commerce stream, they will have direct entry only if they secure 60% marks. These are the 2 categories, and the third categories are those candidates who have passed the intermediate level examination of the ICS, the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, and the Institute of Cost and Management Accountants of India. These people can register directly. So what they will do is they will register with the Board of Studies for the intermediate course. So even those students who are giving their final exams of the graduation, they can also get a provisional registration, but they will be actually allowed to the course only after showing their final pass certificate. So then after you register for the intermediate course, then again the same procedure will follow. You have to complete your 8 months theoretical education before applying for the intermediate examination. Then you pass both the groups of the intermediate examination. Then you complete the intermediate integrated course on information technology and soft skill, that is ICI-TSS. You complete this, then you undergo a 2-year practical training. After you complete the 2-year practical training, you will be registered in the final course, and then after the final course, you will have to complete the 4 self-paced online modules and qualify the online assessment, and then you have to undergo the advanced ICI-TSS on completion of the practical training, and then apply for the final examination. This is how the whole procedure to complete your final exam and becoming a CA.